Hello, world of YouTube. Welcome back to my channel, everyone. It's your B Metchy like Letchy here with another episode of It's Toys and Things. And today's video is going to focus on opening up the Monster High Boo Original CREEPRODUCTION Were Twins. So, let's get to it. Alrighty, everyone. So, we have the Were Twins in front of me. Were Twins? I think that's what they're called. I'm no expert. Malady and Persephone here. They are the CREEPRODUCTION version, not the original. And they're, of course, from Monster High. Now, these will be, I think, the first ever CREEPRODUCTIONs I've ever opened. I haven't opened any of my others, and I do have most of them. So, yeah, I mean, because I'm kind of getting into this, I need to start opening up all these dolls and toys that I just buy, and they're just sitting in their boxes. I'm not even kidding, have hundreds of dolls and toys still in their boxes, and they need to come out their boxes and be open and enjoy the free world. So, yeah, so, let's take a look at the box first, and then we'll open them up, and then I'll probably either do a tabletop review because it's kind of easier, or maybe I'll just show them how they are right now, or how I'm standing right now. So, alright, so this is the back. It says Persephone and Morality, gives their ages, and teenage children. Yeah, okay, so it says meet the frighteningly fashionable teenage children of the world's most famous monsters. And it has it in various languages. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the side of the box. Or the back of the box, I should say. And let's see. Does it? Yes, it has something here. We practically invented the law of cause and effect. Oh, sorry, guys. It distracted me. I was like, what does that say? Okay, yeah, it says we practically invented the laws of cause and effect. That's cute. The side of the box there, with your classic Monster High logo. The other side, because these are supposed to kind of look like binders, a book, Trapper Keeper, or journal, right around those lines. Alright, well, let me go ahead and bust these out the box, and I'm pretty sure I'm going to be struggling with that. But, you know, I have my special tools that I use that I always show you guys, so I won't be doing that on camera because I'm pretty sure I'll be struggling, and you guys don't need to hear that. So let me go ahead and bust these girls out the box, and I'll be right back. Alrighty, everyone, we are back, and we are going to do tabletop review time. So, yeah, let's take a look at them. First of all, my unboxing experience wasn't as bad as I thought, but still, it's still a lot of bands and plastic hammers, especially the kind that they do in the back of their head, and you like literally have to like rip their heads off to get them off, or you can cut them from the back, but it's still a pain in the butt. It really is. And then they get stuck in their hair, and you got to get real close to get them out. I'm sure there's a trick to get them out. I should probably watch some YouTube video. There has to be a trick to get the plastic hammers out their heads, because I just can't stand it. But anyway, enough about that. So let's take a look at them. I already forgot which is which. So that's pretty bad on me. So yeah. I forgot what I'm not used to these characters, man. I forgot which is which. So we're going to take a look at this one first, and whatever. We're just going to call it the cat. So yeah, so let's start with her boots first. Now her boots are cool. Has like a buckle, lots of lace, simple heel. Oh, what's that? Oh, it's plastic. Didn't see that there. Okay. Anyway, you know, big heel, open toes, peep toe. So let's go to her skirt. And I would say, is this real stitching? Yes. Yes, it's real stitching. So she has real stitching on her skirt. It's not bad quality, not cheapy feeling. I mean, not the best, but not cheapy feeling. So, yeah, she has like white tiger stripes here on her shirt, which is like cut off. And then she kind of has, which kind of reminds me of Michael Jackson's famous red jacket. But it has these shiny threads on it. Goes all the way around to where she has what are supposed to be buttons, but they're not. They're just like probably little stickers that'll probably fall off over time. And then she has a high collar, which I like. She kind of has like a high ruffled collar there. I think that's pretty cool. And we're going to go down her arms here. They do have the 5 points articulation in her elbow and her wrist. And of course their head, legs. I forgot to mention that. I don't know about the... Oh, I'm just not realizing she has stripes on this side of her. And no stripes on the other side. I don't own the originals of these. I never was collecting G1 when they were out, which is kind of a bummer. I kind of wish I did, but I didn't. Anyway, so she has bracelets. She has lots of bracelets. Some of them are studded, some of them aren't. Orange glove. Again, kind of reminiscent of MJ. Another studded bracelet there. No glove. Let's get to her face. Now, her face, I was taking a good look before I started filming. Looks like her lipstick is slightly darker than the other, and her gray on her face is slightly darker than her sister's. But the eyes and everything seem to be the same. And then her hair. This is not heavily gelled. It looks like it might be, but it's actually not. It's actually pretty surprising, and it's pretty soft. So it's not heavily gelled. The hair feels nice. It doesn't feel cheapy, but I'm no hair expert. She has the stripe with this. I don't know if that's a stamp or what that is on there, but the hair is kind of choppy at the ends. I don't know why they do this. Why is the hair like all these different lengths? You know, it looks like someone cut it, but it's just how they come. So, oh, of course, her tail. Now, this tail doesn't bend. It doesn't seem to have a bendy wire in it, and I'm not going to stretch it. But it is long, and it is cute. She's like, look at my tail. I like the tail. And she definitely has mini skirts. These girls are wearing some mini skirts. Alright, and she doesn't have earrings. I don't know why I thought these girls would have earrings in the ears. Maybe I'm thinking of Claudine. Alright, so let's go on to the next one, which is going to call Cat 2, because I forgot their names. So, I think her gray is lighter. Her red on her lips is a little lighter. And she came with bangs that were not gelled down. And I wasn't going to exchange them, because, you know, sometimes they come like this. Like a lot of Rainbow High dolls would come like that, and you never wanted one that looked like that. But then I started looking at her, and I'm like, yeah, you know what? Screw it. Don't look too bad, and looks like, you know, that'd be part of her personality. She doesn't have the glued down bangs, but that's okay. She's very pretty, though. Alright, so we kind of started at the head. So, she doesn't have earrings in her ears. Again, the hair is choppy at the end. Again, I don't know why they do that, but whatever. She's also wearing a stripe, but on the opposite colors. And then her jacket is different. It does have ruffles at the top, if you can see that. And then the silver stripes, the red stripe down the middle, one silver stripe going all the way around, and it is ruffly at the bottom. It feels supposed to be kind of like pleathery feeling. That's the goal, I guess. Of course, same articulation. And no, the skirts are, as you can see, one's lighter, one's darker on the skirts. She has stripes down her other leg, so they're kind of like that. Yeah, and then her boots. Now, I like her boots, because her boots have all these bows, and I like that. Big bow here, bow all the way down, wedge heel. Is that plastic? Yeah. Why doesn't this one have the plastic? And this one has plastic, and this one doesn't. Weird. Alright, whatever. So, also with the tail, not bendy, but long and cute. Of course, she has the stamp in her hair as well. This hair is pretty soft. It doesn't need to be washed or anything crazy. I mean, if you want to do something, if you happen to get one with these bangs like that, but yeah. So, oh, the hair bracelets. 2 black, 1 red studded. Red studded on this side. And then, like I said, you compare them of their faces. You see the lipstick's slightly darker, and their face, the gray on the face is slightly darker and slightly lighter. At least that's how it looks to me, but I could be wrong. Oh, she also has a glove here. They're probably wearing the same gloves. No. Look, even the gloves are a different color. See that? One's like orangish, and one's more reddish. Alright, so that's it for the girls here. They came with 2 brushes. I'm guessing this is your standard Monster High brush from how they looked back in the day. They came with 2 yarn ball purses, and these you can clearly see different color. One's more orangish, one's more reddish. They don't open. They look like this is a little, like, I tried to, but there's no clasp, there's no hinge to open, so they don't open. They do come with stands and the waist clips. Stands, your standard stand, I'm assuming, and then a journal. It says, if we catch you reading our diary, you'll be in double trouble. So I think it's cute. So, yeah. They should even share a journal, so, or a diary. So, I guess they have no privacy between each other. So, yeah. Alright. So, that is them pretty much in a nutshell. Unless I'm missing anything. Oh, I forgot to say where I got these from. I got these from my local toy store, which seems to get these dolls in faster than anyone else, even before they hit the pre-orders on Mattel Creations and Target or Walmart. The store happens to just get them in early. So, yeah, I'm very lucky to be close to the store, and yeah, so that is how I got these, and I also got Operetta. I don't have Torlai yet. He didn't get Torlai in my toy store owner, but he did get, just like I said, these and Operetta. But yeah, so that's pretty much it for the review on these. I can't go into much more detail. I'm going to look at the back of them. I think they're cute. Their little tails kind of hook like that. That's the purpose. That's cute. So that's about it for the review of Melody and Persephone. And I hope you enjoyed this video and enjoyed this review. I cannot believe I'm starting to open up these dolls, and I literally tossed the box because I'm not saving no box. If I really feel like I need another one, I'll just have to buy one, but I doubt it. I really have to start letting go. So yeah, I don't have room to be saving just empty boxes anymore. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and end this video. Thank you guys so much for watching and spending time with me. It means a lot that you do that, and I really appreciate it. And let me know if you got these, if you had trouble getting these, if you want these, if you have the originals, how do they compare, and yeah, just talk to me down below, because I do answer and talk and chat with everyone who makes a comment, because I like doing so. I like engaging with my audience, and I appreciate you guys for watching. And please subscribe if you haven't done so, because I have a lot more videos coming up. I kind of have some unique things coming up, and you don't want to miss that. So other than that, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye!